Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I will be solving some past paper questions on impulse, so let's get started. Today I will be solving question 3 from the October-November 2023 session, paper 4 variant 2. A balloon of mass 15 grams is glued to a straw. The straw is threaded onto a horizontal string as shown in figure 3.1. The balloon is filled with air and then the air is released. As the air leaves the balloon, it experiences a force. The balloon accelerates from rest until it reaches a constant speed. It then travels 0.67 meters in 0.18 seconds at this constant speed. Part 1 says to explain in words what is meant by the term impulse. We know the formula for impulse is the final momentum minus the initial momentum. So, therefore we can say that impulse is defined as the change in momentum. Part 2 says to calculate the resultant impulse on the balloon while it is accelerating. First, let's write down the values we know. The mass of the balloon is 15 grams or 0.015 kilograms. Its initial velocity is 0 meters per second as it is stationary, and its final velocity is 0.67 divided by 0.18 using the formula of velocity, displacement, and time. Next, write down the formula of impulse, mv minus mu, and substitute in the values. Then, put that into your calculator, and you'll get a long answer. Write that down in 2 significant figures in the space given. Part 3 says to explain how momentum is conserved as the balloon accelerates. When the balloon is released, the air rushes out backward with a certain momentum. The law of conservation of momentum states the balloon moves forward with equal and opposite momentum, keeping the total momentum constant. Make sure you mention the law of conservation of momentum in your answer to gain the second mark. Moving on to Part B, Figure 3.2 shows the direction of 2 forces acting on a different balloon. Determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant force on this balloon. Using Pythagoras' theorem, ae squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, we can say that the resultant force is equal to 0.4 squared plus 0.74 squared. Now by square rooting the result to get the value of c, not c squared, we get 0.841. Next up, to find the angle, we can use trigonometry, TOA, to write down tan theta is equal to opposite, 0.74, divided by adjacent, 0.4. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse 0.74 divided by 0.4. Lastly, just fill out the spaces given and you're done with this question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.